All right, in this video we're looking at topic 2-2. Examples 1 and 2 had videos right on the Pearson website, so go ahead and watch those there and learn through there. I'm going to walk you through example 3. It says Omar knows that his friend Chris lives 3/5 a mile away. How far is the school from his house? So we have a diagram here that's going to help us going as we look at this map and we see a scale of distance of 2 inches and 3/4 of an inch. And so we're going to see how that scale of the map is going to relate to this 3/5 of a mile. So, since we know that Chris's and Omar's house are the two distances that we need to know, we can set up this ratio, that 3/5 of a mile over 3/4 of an inch, because those are the two distances that we have a ratio or a comparison of right now. Now at this point, we need to convert this into a unit rate that has a denominator of 1. So since we have this fraction place and we want it to be a unit rate with a denominator of 1, what we're going to do is we're going to divide our denominator 3/4 by basically by itself, because any number divided by itself is going to equal 1. And so you see that work down here, right? 3/4 divided by 3/4. Now, of course, you can't actually divide a fraction by a fraction. You have to multiply by its reciprocal, so that's what step we're seeing here. But in the end, 3/4 times 4/3 gives us 12 over 12, which is equal to 1. So that's where the 1 inch comes from. With fractions, though, if we do it to the bottom, we must also do it to the top. So if we divide by 3/4 down here, we have to divide by 3/4 up here. So 3/5 divided by 3/4, right? Multiply by the reciprocal in this step here. Now we're left with an answer of 3 times 4, which is 12. And 5 times 3, which is 15, which then can be reduced to 4/5. So they're not showing you that reducing step there, but that's what you were able to do. All right. So then you're left with 4/5 of a mile equals 1 inch. So now we can go back to the question, how far is the school from his house? Since the school is 2 inches, now we can use this unit rate to understand the distance in miles. Since 1 inch is 4/5 a mile, we need to multiply by 2 to figure out the distance of 2 inches. So the denominator, pretty simple, 1 times 2 gives us 2. And so we have that idea. But our main answer is coming from the top, right? 4/5 times 2. So that's going to be 4/5 times 2 over 1. So 5 times 1 equals 5. 4 times 2 equals 8. So 8/5 is how we get that answer. And then we can simplify that by taking 8 divided by 5 right here, right? 8 divided by 5 to give us 1 3/5 miles, which is where our answer comes from then in the end. So that's another example looking at unit rates and ratios and how all of this stuff fits together. All right, here's your example then to work through as you look at this. Don't be afraid to draw pictures if those are going to help you out.